Hello friends, we are in level 2 class 2 in Abacus. Here we are going to learn how to add or subtract 2-digit number with single digit number by using some formulas, right? I explained you 4 problems here and these 4 problems for your practice. After watching this video you can try this using Abacus, okay? First sum is 49 plus 6. Here 49 is 2-digit number. So take 2 rods starts from 1 star. This is 1 star, 10 star, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, etc. Okay. Here 9 is in 1's place, 4 is in 10's place, right? So move 4 beats in 10 star and move 9 beats in 1 star. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 49. 49 is added. Next second row plus 6. It means we need to add 6 beats in 1 star because 6 is in 1's place, okay? Now see here, in 1 star, no beats are available to add. So we cannot add 6 directly here, right? Now 6 is having 2 formulas. One is big friend, second one is combination, right? So first we have to check big friend. That is 6 big friend is 4 because 6 plus 4 equal to 10. 10 is the big friend boss. In question plus 6 is there. So we have to remove 4 beats in 1 star. Now here 4 beats are available to remove. Hence apply big friend for adding 6. Okay. So do minus 4. 4 beats removed from the answer point in 1 star. Minus 4 completed. While removing friend, add the boss in 10's place. We have to do plus 10 here. Okay. See here, in 10 star, no beats are available to add in lower part, okay, because all beats are already added. Hence, we cannot do plus 10 here. Now, what we are going to do is, check upper beats are available to add in 10 star, okay. In 10 star, its value is 50, right? So, do plus 50 and do minus 40. We cannot add 10 directly here. Plus 50 and minus 40 is plus 10, right? So plus 10 completed, okay? From second row, 6 is added in 1 star with the help of big friend formula. Plus 10 minus 4, right? Sum is completed. Now check the answer. In 10's place, 5 beats are there, which means 50. In 1's place, 5 beats. So 55 is the answer for this first sum, okay? Now clear all the values. Next we'll move to second sum, 96 plus 8. First we'll move 96. Here 6 is in 1's place, 9 is in 10's place, right? So move 6 beats in 1's place, 5, 6 and 9 beats in 10 star. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So 96 is added. Next second row plus 8. It means we need to add 8 beats in 1 star because 8 is in 1's place, okay? See here, only 3 beats are available to add. 1, 2, 3. So we cannot add 8 directly here. Hence apply the formula for adding 8. First we have to check big friend formula. That is 8's big friend is 2. So in question plus 8 means we have to remove 2 beats here. But see here, only 1 beat is available to remove in lower part. Hence we cannot apply big friend. So we have to apply combination for adding it. Combination plus means move beats in up direction, right? So first we have to move 10 beats in up direction. But in 10 start no beats are available to add. So we cannot do 10 up here. In previous sum we can see 5 beats in 10 start are available to add. So we did plus 50 minus 40 equal to plus 10, right? But here we cannot do plus 50 also. Move to 100 star. This is 100 star, right? In 100 star, beats are available to add. So do plus 100 because in 100 star, if 1 beat means plus 100 completed, right? So after moving plus 100, remove 9 beats in 10 star. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Removing 9 beats in 10 star means minus 90 completed, right? So plus 100 minus 90 equal to plus 10. So plus 10 completed, which is 10 upward completed, okay? Plus means upward direction. So 10 up completed. Next 5 upward, which means in 1 star move 5 beats in up direction. It means minus 5 completed. We are adding 8, right? So 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Move the 3 beats in up direction. So 10 up, 5 up, 3 up. So 8 is added in 1 star with the help of combination formula. plus 10 minus 5 plus 3. Okay. Sum is completed. Now check the answer. In 100 start, 1 bit is there. In 10 start, no bits are there. So we should consider it as 0. In 1 start, 4 bits. So 104 is the answer for this second sum. Okay. Next we will move to third sum, which is subtraction. 58 minus 9. First we will move 58. Here 8 is in 1's place. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 5 is in 10's place, right? So 50 is added. 58 is added. Next, second row minus 9. It means we need to remove 9 bits from 1 start because 9 is in 1's place. Okay. Now check here in 1 start whether 9 bits are available to remove. See here, only 8 bits are available here. Hence direct subtraction is not possible to apply. Okay. Again 9 is having two formulas. First we need to check big friend. That is 9's big friend is 1 because 9 plus 1 equal to 10. But in question minus 9 is there. That is we need to do plus 1 in 1 start. See here, 1 bit is available to add. So do plus 1, remove the bars in 10 start. That is we need to do minus 10 here. But we are not having 10 bits to remove. If we need to add 10, we should check upper bits are available to add. If we need to remove something, if 10 bits are not available to remove, we should check whether 50 bits are available to remove. Okay. So bars must be minus while doing subtraction. See here, 50 bits are available to remove. So do minus 50. We cannot do minus 10. So do minus 50 and add 40. Okay. Minus 50 plus 40 equal to minus 10, right? Hence 9 is subtracted from 1 start with the help of big friend formula. Minus 10 plus 1. Okay. Sum is completed. Now check the answer. In 10's place 4 bits are there. In 1's place 9 bits. So 49 is the answer. Next we will move to last sum. 104 minus 7. First we will move 104. Here 4 is in 1's place and 0 is in 10's place, which means we should not add anything in 10 start and move 1 bit in 100 start, right? 104 is added. Next, second row minus 7. It means we need to remove 7 bits in 1 start because 7 is in 1's place. Okay. See here, only 4 bits are available to remove. Hence, direct subtraction is not possible here. Okay. Again, 7 is also having two formulas. First one is big friend. Second one is combination. 7's big friend is 3. In question minus 7. So, we have to add 3 here. But we are not having 3 bits to add, right? Because in lower part all bits are already added. Hence big friend is not possible to apply. Now we should apply combination for removing 7. Combination minus means move bits in down direction. Okay. So first we will do 10 downward. That is we have to move 1 bit down in 10 start, which is minus 10. But we cannot remove anything in 10 start because no bits were added here. In this situation, we have to move to next start, right? In 100 start, 1 bit is available to remove, right? So, do minus 100, but we need to remove 10, right? So, minus 100 plus 90, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So, 9 bits in 10 start means 90. We cannot do 10 downward directly. So, minus 100 plus 90 equal to minus 10, which is 10 downward completed. Next, we have to do 5 downward. That is in 1 start, 5 bits down direction. It means plus 5 completed. 5 plus 2 equal to 7, right? So, move the 2 bits in down direction. So, 10 downward, 5 downward, 2 downward. Hence, 7 is subtracted from 1 start with the help of combination formula. Minus 10 plus 5 minus 2, right? Sum is completed. Now, check the answer. In 10's place, 9 bits are there. So, 90. In 1's place, 7 bits. 97 is the answer. So, 4 sums completed here. And these 4 problems for your practice, right? In this, if you have any doubts, please comment me, okay? In next video, we'll see double digit addition or subtraction with formulas, okay? Thank you, friends.